Hey everyone, I'm Omi. Why did the video become a movie star? Because it finally looked cinematic. Anyway, let's make your footage look amazing. A lot of people think cinematic means buying an expensive camera. It doesn't. Start with your colors. Open the Lumetri color panel. Add a little contrast. Adjust the highlights and shadows. Now give your footage a subtle color grade. Nothing crazy. Something less is more. Next, think about your camera movement. Smooth shoots almost always look more cinematic than shaky ones. And don't forget the sound. Good music and sound effects can completely change how your video feels. People watch with their eyes, but they feel with their ears. Boom! Now your video looks way more professional. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.